Family law cases in Maryland that involve some form of financial support, whether it's alimony or child support, require litigants to file a financial statement. Now, there's two types of financial statements that you can file. One is called a short form financial statement, and one is called a long form financial statement. The short form financial statement is for cases that involve guidelines child support. Now, for more information on what guidelines child support is, there's a whole other video on this channel for that. Long form financial statements are the financial statements required when there's a case that involves above the guidelines child support or a request for alimony. Now, the short form financial statement is a fairly simple document. It's one page and it involves just the categories of input that goes into the child support guidelines. So you fill out your income. Again, we're talking about gross income before taxes. Any expense, monthly expense that you have for health insurance premiums that you pay for the children, any monthly expense for work-related child care, certain out-of-pocket medical expenses, and there's an additional category for additional expenses. So that's it. That's the short form financial statement. Again, it's a fairly simple document. The long form financial statement is a much more complex and intricate filing. It's essentially a monthly budget of all the income that comes into the litigant's account and all of the monthly expenses. So it should account for everything that someone is spending money on, whether it's mortgage payment, rent, trips to the grocery store, car payments, car insurance. It's got monthly memberships. It's got your cable and internet expense. It's a very complex document. I think it's like 9 or 11 pages. It runs on fairly long. Now, certain expenses are going to fluctuate, and you're going to have to deal with that. Sometimes you annualize, sometimes you want to take an average. But it is very important that the figures that you use are accurate, because this is one of the ways that you are going to, if you're in a case, that you're going to convey credibility to the court. If everything on your financial statement is totally made up, that's not going to look too good. So the long form financial statement in an alimony or above the guidelines case is a very critical document and need to be created with care and detail. I often will assist my clients directly in coming up with the numbers and drafting it and accumulating the source documents, because not only is it complicated, there are certain aspects of strategy that go along with this document depending on what the issues are in the case. If you have any questions about your financial statement or whether you should file a financial statement, do not hesitate to call my law firm, Weinberg Schwartz, at 410-997-0203 for more information. If you'd like more information about me personally, in the description of this video below are links to my LinkedIn account, my Twitter page, and my Instagram account. And as always, if you found this information to be useful, please like this video, please comment on it, please share it with all your friends. Thank you very much.